Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook watch history. To do that, click your account on the upper right, then click on settings and privacy, then click on settings again. Now on the left hand side, scroll down until you find activity log. Click on that. And in this section, you'll find videos you've watched. Now click on that. And this is going to show you your Facebook watch history. So if you want to delete videos, you can delete individual videos by clicking the three dots towards the right, and you can click and delete, and that's how you delete a particular video. Now, if you want to delete everything, look to the upper right and simply click and clear video watch history. Then click and clear video watch history again, and that's going to allow you to clear your Facebook watch history. So as you can see, just about clearing it by clicking clear watch history. And that's all that you have to do. If you go ahead and try to click on clear watch history and you're not seeing everything clear, just go ahead and refresh the page, and then you will realize that it cleared your watch history. And that's it. So don't worry if you click it once and you still see the videos there. As long as you refresh your page, it's going to go ahead and show that you cleared it. And that's it, guys.